Thanks for stopping by at Twisted Art Designs. So for my paper doll loving peeps, here's another fun thing. This is from feemcfaddle.com. So there it is, feemcfaddle.com. It's a really cute website that has a whole bunch of free things. Lots of coloring book pages, lots of these cute paper dolls, and then you print them and she gives instructions on how to print them and what to do with them. All different kinds, mostly fantasy, fairy, pixies, mermaids, all kinds of different things. So check it out. She's also got some coloring book pages and some cute stories and things. It's a really cute website. And I printed this out 6 years ago, and she's still got it on there. So if you want to do this one along with me after I show you what I've done with it, you can still get this and download it and print it. So what I'm going to use this for is I'm making an art journal that's all gnomes. And as soon as it's done, I'm going to do a flip through and show everybody my gnome journal. It's something my mom and I work on together when we Skype. She made one, I made one, and it's all gnome themes. So what I'm going to do is put this cute woodland fairy on a page, and I think I'm going to have her hand upside down and have a little gnome sitting in her hand. So she's going to be a forest fairy holding a gnome, and that's what I plan to do with this. So when I get it done, I'll give you the details of how I decorated this fun Fee McFaddle printout for a woodland fairy. I'm taking this printout sheet from feemcfaddle.com. I'm using alcohol markers to color it, and then I'm going to decorate it and make it very embellished and three-dimensional, and I'm going to use it in my gnome art journal. I colored the image, and now I'm going to cut it out and assemble it. So here's how she turned out, how I decorated her. I used little micro mini brads to make her movable joints on her arms and legs. I had some little itty bitty leaves, so I put leaves underneath the bottom of her skirt, added some detail to this border, and I used an X-Acto knife to cut along here and stick some leaves underneath. I put some leaves behind the little hummingbird. I added some Nuvo Drops for those little flowers that are in her hair, and Nuvo Drops in these flowers right here. I used Spectrum Noir glitter ink on the wings. I did some shading on them first with some alcohol markers, and then I put glitter ink on them, so she's got nice sparkly wings, colored everything, and so that's how she turned out. And she's going to go in my gnome journal on a page. I think what I'm going to do is have a nice cute mushroom with a gnome sitting on it and her standing next to it in the gnome journal. So that's what I did with that one, and I hope you enjoyed, and maybe this gave you some ideas for decorating this paper doll set. And I hope you're having a good day and making art, because art soothes the heart.